If you're considering buying an electric car, you're not alone. Jerry's 2023 State of American Driver Report found that a whopping 49% of drivers are considering an electric car for their next vehicle. And it's no wonder. With the rise of gas prices and the threat of climate catastrophe looming, EVs are an increasingly attractive and affordable choice. But will the fuel savings of electric cars save you money, or will sky-high insurance premiums end up costing you more in the long run? Let's get into it. Jerry's got your back. Electric car insurance does cost more, on average, than insurance for gas-powered vehicles. The reason is pretty simple. Most electric cars cost more to repair and replace. And it can be also harder to find qualified repair shops to work on your electric car. You can bring your Camry or your F-150 to just about any mechanic you trust, but electric car mechanics are more few and far between. All of this raises the cost to insurance companies when you make a claim on your electric car. You see, high insurance losses translate to higher insurance premiums to cover that extra cost. Now, if you're only carrying liability insurance, the cost to insure an EV isn't very different from the price of a standard gas-powered car. But if you're buying a new EV, you'll need comprehensive and collision coverage on that car, and that will cost you extra. So, how much more expensive is insurance for an electric car? Let's use the Jerry app for example. If we request quotes for a new Toyota RAV4, the most popular non-electric car in the US, you can see full coverage quotes that range from $85 a month to as much as $350 depending on the company. Now let's look at quotes for a Tesla Model Y, the most popular EV in America in 2023. For that same driver, quotes for a Model Y start at $264 per month. And fewer insurers offer coverage. The bottom line is simple. Insuring an electric car does cost more, but it could still be affordable. And the best news, as charging infrastructure grows and more EV certified mechanics enter the market, the cost of EV ownership will continue to drop. So if you're one of the millions of Americans like myself considering an EV for their next car, use the Jerry app to estimate your insurance costs and find real coverage that saves you money on top of your fuel expenses.
Jerry, the All Car app that's got your back. Because we car.